We are family. Is he gonna focus? Yazerski. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Penny Mannequin. Honestly, I don't have energy. You know what? What's good, guys? It's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Benny Mannequin comes to you live. I lied from the Mannequin Studio! In this video, we are going to be unboxing, aka doing a clothing haul. As you guys can tell, I'm back. I didn't actually move to LA or Cali, so I pranked y'all. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be doing a whole lot of unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing things that I bought with my money, as well as some stuff that I actually got for free. Which is actually cool because, you know, your boy is moving up. Your boy is moving up. I be getting shit for free now. So I don't know. Comment down below before I get there. What would you think you would want to see first? Maybe I start with things I bought with my money before I unbox, since like the other stuff is like kind of like promo type shit. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing some shoes. Two shoes I got. One I got myself and one that was sent to me by a company called Third Mind. I would explain when I get to that point. I think I'm going to start with that shoe. I'm going to start with the shoes I bought and then that shoe. And then we're going to be unboxing a special package we got today. Special package from Boohooman. And that's all. You guys already know what it is. It's the Boohooman BURNA collection. If you guys know me, I'm like Burnaboy's biggest fan, honestly. So anything he releases, even though he was to release a blank piece of paper, I'm gonna cop that shit. Of course. You bet your ass I will. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Let me show you guys what the first thing I got. And I'm also going to be trying them on. So it's kind of like a try on haul. You know what I mean? One of them videos. Yeah. So first thing I got was these shoes from ASOS, which are like the open. I don't know what these are called. I just call them the open back loafers. I have these types in black, and I really like them because one, they're comfortable, and and two, they make you look exquisite. Yeah, so I should honestly do a video to giving tips on how to look, will I say rich? How to look rich with your clothes, which is something that most people may not know how to do. But with these slippers, you can kind of like execute that nicely. Plus, they're a different color. They're like really, I like the texture on them, which is like one of the reasons I got them, because I have never seen, like, they kind of have this crocodile type texture on them. It's leather too. Well, pleather. This is not real leather, I'm sure. Yeah, but I like them from ASOS. These ran me about $40, so pretty cheap. Will they last me? Probably not. Knowing ASOS, I usually don't buy shoes from ASOS, but I actually got this for an event, and sadly it didn't come on time. I was gonna return it, but then I was like, you know what, hey, it wouldn't harm to just keep it and have a different color of these type of shoes. Moving on to the next item I got, or actually I think it's time to bring out the shoes that we got from the Third Mind. So Third Mind is a brand. I believe they're out in Los Angeles, California, or well, one of the states in California though. But they reached out to me, explaining their brand, saw my pictures on Instagram, and thought it would be cool for me to create content for them. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So I looked at what they did, and they kind of gave me their whole, like, what their company's about. So basically what Third Mind does is that they make shoes out of recycled products. If you guys have, well, you definitely, because I never told you guys, but when I was in undergrad, I had a project with architecture, like an architecture project, where I made a facility to create shoes that were made out of recycled products. So it was really dope, the fact that like a company that does that came to me to like review their shoes, create content for them. So I thought it would be cool to show you guys, because I got these shoes like 2 weeks ago, but I've honestly not unboxed them yet. So yeah, let's open it together. First time, you know what I say. Let's pause for a second. You know what I say, guys. We're a family here. We're the Mannequins. We're called the Mannequin family. And when I do these unboxing videos for you guys, I wait. Even though I haven't seen the shoes, I wait. You're the first people I show it to. You know? Aww. See, I have to bring you guys up close so you can see it, like up close and personal. We're family. You, yeah, right. I'm looking at you. No, don't turn around. You, right there. Exactly. Come on. Anyways, let's open this box real quick. First of all, I must commend the box. This is a very secure box. All right, so I'm at the final layer of these shoes, so I'm about to simply just I think all I have to do next is literally just to break off this part. Oh wow, damn. Okay, this is dope. I have to say. So when you break this part apart, it says, what does it say? On the Cloud 3, raised to power 2. We've tested the science, we've tested them in environments across the globe. Now it's your turn to take them for a test drive or flight. Interesting. So for the shoes, these are really dope. I must say, they feel really soft. Definitely when I put them on my feet, I could give you guys a full-on review. But so far, it smells good. It smells just like new. You know that smell when you have a new stuff, like when you have like new shit, basically. Shit is nice. Right here, oh wow, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. Okay, you see one thing, honestly, I love small brands. And like when I say small brands, I don't mean like these guys are small, meaning you've never heard of them, but the fact that like they have this much detail, it's just amazing, and I appreciate it, like honestly. And there's some stickers and some nice things. Obviously there's a return label. I'm not gonna be returning these because I feel like these are dope, honestly. Alright, so for what you guys have been waiting for, and I know that's what most of you clicked on this video to see, the Burnaboy collection. Let's get it. Oh damn. Right here we have the Boohooman collection. I've got my knife. I'm just gonna rip this up apart. The first item I'm going to be unboxing is oh my days! Yo, I feel sorry for my neighbors because like they be hearing me shouting and screaming. This is lit. Yo, it has the beat on it. So you know what? I'm going to go through these. I'm going to switch to when I actually put it on. So you guys this will be a very quick run through. So next I got some sweatpants. You know, it's great sweatpants season. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to show you guys the more detail. I'm just going to like bring out everything I bought. And then I got a hoodie. I got a black hoodie. As you guys can tell, you guys have probably already seen all my hoodies. And the one I'm mostly excited for is this one. I got the pink BURNA hoodie as well. Pink is a color I've never worn, or I've worn pink once, but like I feel like I would look good in pink and I could definitely do something with it. So so far right now, if you watch this video, comment down below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, because we've got heat. We've got some heat for you guys. I've got a lot of heat for you guys. Alright, you know what? Let's go to the mannequin closet right now. I feel like Burnaboy touched these. He definitely did not. No, it's not. Ooh, you guys see this? The detail on this shit is nice. Like, yeah. So you guys can see the detail. This is leather right here. Well, I guess it's pleather, but like it's nice. It's a nice material. This jacket is life for sure. It is life. This is real life. You guys see it. You see it. You see the drip. You see the drip. Honestly, I honestly feel like I should have honestly gotten like an extra large, because I can feel these. I can feel this like being a bit small. This is a large, by the way, and I'm 6'3". I'm a 6'3" guy. So, and I'm not like, I don't know. So this feels like it's kind of small. I can definitely rock it still, but like I feel like if I was to put on like any sort of muscle or weight, I would definitely grow out of this. You can see my arms are already kind of like stretched out. So yeah, that's pretty sad. That's a sad thing. For the next item, we've got the limited edition hoodie. It's got limited edition at the back, and then in the front it has my president's name and his face as well, Burna. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be small for me. I can really feel it, because like I don't know why I felt like these things would run like big. So like I literally have to, yep. This is a very, very like sad unboxing video, because like I thought, well, yeah, no, this is not what I expected. Yeah, this is annoying. I'm actually pissed off right now, because like I'm pissed. It's small. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna have to return this. I'm gonna have to return this. I don't know. It's not. I don't want my hoodie to look like I just borrowed it from my little brother. You know, if you feel me. So yeah, this one is small. I think everything is small because I got everything in the large. So that's pretty sad. What's the return label like? Honestly, I'm just gonna try the pink hoodie as well, just because. But I know it's gonna be small for me. So now that it's kind of weird, because the pink hoodie, ooh, that's so pink. The pink hoodie feels like a little bit bigger for some reason, which is very weird. I don't know. Maybe it's because of it's a different style, but the large on the pink hoodie feels this thing. So yeah, I think this one this one I can definitely manage, because it's like, yeah. And mind you guys, I usually don't wear pink, but this one has like the Burna, his name right in the middle right here, and then on the back it's got like BURNA and all the, you know, all that jazzmatazz. This hoodie for sure isn't too bad. How's that looking pink though, guys? Little flex for the tube. You know, yeah. Yeah. All right, let's get back to the video. I honestly thought that like everything fit large, so I just ordered a large size with everything. Apparently, no, because they don't give a shit about us tall people. Go ahead and return this stuff and possibly reorder my size. Probably everything in extra large. Hopefully extra large is actually my size and it's not like some crazy shit. Anyways guys, if you like that video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, if you want to also have a pair of the Third Mind shoes I also unboxed, the link is gonna be down below. Yeah guys, without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.